In this video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide your YouTube channel's discussion tab. Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at showing or hiding or activating and disabling the discussion tab. First thing you need to do is make sure you're logged into the correct account, then go to your YouTube studio. Then click on Settings, go to Community, click on Default, and over here you'll see Comments on your discussion tab. You click on to allow comments, or it might say disable comments. Whichever one, you can either show or hide just here. So allowing all comments will mean that it shows on your channel's homepage, and disabling comments will mean that it's hidden from your channel's homepage. Click Save, and just to show that that does not appear anymore, go to your channel, and as you can see, it's now disappeared. If this has helped, please like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.